All right, back to news from the national capital now. Delhi government's initiative to bring down pollution levels with the help of odd-even plan are failing to deliver, with Delhi Pollution Panel now admitting that the PM10 level of pollution actually went high during the odd-even period this month. The findings have come in the backdrop of an all-India survey that claims 50% people are now suffering from respiratory illnesses.
Indian cities continue to gasp for breath as air pollution woes in Delhi and other cities refuse to go away. In Delhi, even the 15-day odd-even rationing scheme failed to curb the rising air pollution. Aam Aadmi Party government's Pollution Control Committee has admitted that pollution levels were actually up despite the traffic curbs.
और हमने यही पाया है कि जो कॉन्सेंट्रेशंस हैं वो ऑड इवन के वीक्स के दौरान बढ़ी हुई हैं उससे पहले वीक के मुकाबले।
सरकार जब इस स्कीम को लाई थी, लोगों का कहना था, वो ये कह के लाई थी कि इससे प्रदूषण कम होगा, किंतु इससे प्रदूषण कम नहीं हुआ बल्कि बढ़ गया।
If you thought odd even is going to solve Delhi's pollution woes, you are highly mistaken. A study conducted by Delhi Pollution Control Committee suggests that there have been no stark difference as far as pollution is concerned during odd even. In fact, there have been days when pollution was higher.
And the rising pollution is no surprise. The latest survey of the Chest Research Foundation has made most shocking revelations. In a case across 880 cities, it was found that over 50% Indians are suffering from respiratory problems. The rising air pollution has led to a spike in number of asthma patients, with children and the elderly suffering the most.
तो अगर हम asthma देखें तो वो एक तो बच्चों में ज़्यादा बढ़ रहे हैं. Like I said, it's an emergency situation. तो कुछ करने की तो ज़रूरत है ही.
According to a latest study by World Health Organization, 13 Indian cities features in the list of 20 most polluted cities of the world. And not surprisingly, the national capital Delhi tops the list as far as India is concerned.
The pollution spike has not only increased birth of anemic and preterm babies, but has also turned deadly for hundreds of newborns. Apparently, it is high time that some strong measures are taken to check the rising pollution levels. With Anujain Rohatgi and Kumar Kunal, Bureau Report, India Today.